peacock, the chicken, mama, and the babies, all in the same spot.
This is cute. I wish I can touch a baby chicken.
Oh,
but
yeah, let's try. But if you go closer, mama get upset because she's trying to protect the baby because they're babies. So they're like, she's very protective of our babies.
Oh, the baby bird, yes, the mama bird, and now the baby bird can find you.
Right.
But now he found the mommy bird again.
Bah, 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 bah.
Daddy, is that a cow, your old one?
No, that's manure car.
Oh, that's your new cow.
That's right. So beautiful.
It's so yummy, boys. And it's all over the
It's dancing for the rooster. So beautiful.
I just want